ZR2 Here's a fun truck to get you through the winter. Four-wheel drive ZR2 edition extended cab S10, red over real nice black wheel flares, rugged bed liner, sliding rear window. Tires are decent, wheels are excellent also. More pictures at 419cars.com. It's got power locks, power windows, tilt, cruise, air conditioning. You are all set. Let's look in the back. Jump seat. So you got 1, 2, 3 passengers here. Nice captain's chairs up front. Cup holders conveniently placed. Well equipped. Power locks, power windows, tilt cruise, and CD player from the factory. Double power outlet in the front also. Good and bad credit welcome. 419cars.com.